The Diablo 4th Vessel of Hither. In this video, I will show you how to actually get it and use it. So let's get right into the video. So in Diablo 4, Mythic unique items are some of the rarest and most powerful gear you can obtain. Typically, players farm these items by repeatedly defeating bosses like Duriel, King of Maggots, which can be summoned using mechas like eggs and shards of Agni, which drops from the Great Gyura of Echo of version respectively. So the Tribute of Ascendance is the key item for this method. When you use this item in the Crusade and the City dungeons, it almost guarantees you a mythic unique item at the end of your run. There are two different types of tributes, United Tribute or Resolute Tribute. So the Resolute Tribute drops from the Whisper caches, which are earned by completing Whisper tasks. The key to effectively farm this item is maximizing the number of Whisper caches you earn per hour. Here's how to optimize farming process. Setting up the priority list, then task priority list. So in the task priority list, make sure that tasks that involves killing tormented boss like Gedule or Endural should be your first priority. These tasks are quick, especially if you have a strong character, and reward 5 green favors each. Helltide Blood Maiden Whisper involves going to the Helltide and killing the Blood Maiden. Sometimes you can also pick up extra green favors from nearby Whisper in the Helltide, but focus on the main task. PvP Zone Whisper, especially the ones involving the Seething Abomination. These tasks are reward 5 green favors and can be done in both PvP zones. However, they have a longer cooldown, about 2 to 3 days. So the Crusades and the City Whisper, quick to complete and reward 5 green favors. So the Dungeon Whisper, if none of the above are available, run Dungeon Whispers that rewards 5 green favors. Prioritize dungeons in the non-2 zone, as these dungeons tends to have a fewer objectives, make them first to complete, typically just defeating the boss. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel.